So this was the very first time I sewed this shirt. I am absolutely in love with this pattern. I can say that this is the greatest shirt pattern that is existing. It is a must have in everybody's pattern collection. I sewed it in this plaid fabric. The placement, this diagonal against the plaid, it looks so nice. And this gives it a designer look. I would like to make it in a flannel. I made some changes, just very slight subtle changes. So after this shirt, I realized the cuff is a little too big. So I made the width a little small and also the length of the sleeve. I had to reduce the length a little bit. And then I sewed it in a size 20, but the sleeves are in a size, I don't remember, it's 16 or 18, but I think, yes, the length needs alteration and so do the cuffs. So this is the second time I made this pattern. I made it in a striped fabric from Joann's. It was $2.99 on sale. It was a Christmas fabric. I had only 2 yards and that's all I needed actually to finish this project. The reason I chose a striped fabric was so I could play with the stripes. So here is my make with the solid color shirt. I made it in this baby pink color. I think it looks great. I added lace detailing to it and I added some fancy buttons. So I think this shirt came out looking great. I would love to sew it. So this I made in this spring fabric. It's a spring flannel from Joann's. This was also $2.99 per yard. I think this shirt can be made in so many different fabrics. You can make it in a chambray, in a denim, in a plaid, flannel, poplin, shirting, as charmeuse. The choices and possibilities are endless. Currently, this kind of dressy shirts are trending, and people are paying a lot of money to create beautiful designers, to buy beautiful designer shirts. And if you know how to sew and if you have this pattern, you can make them yourselves. You can buy designer fabric with big bold prints and use some contrast in the collar and the cuff, add some nice buttons. You can make them fun for, like, if you're a teacher, you can make it in a fun print and you can add some appliques, some patches. So that's how you can style it. So now let me model this one for you.